The Stark Varg is considered the most powerful electric dirt bike in the world. And I've had the privilege of owning one of these bikes for a little over a year now. And if I'm being completely honest, I don't ride the bike nearly as often as I should. It's not that I don't like the bike. I absolutely love it. And it definitely isn't because the bike isn't insane. Life literally just gets busy sometimes. And sometimes you kind of put these things on the back burner for a little bit. But today, that's gonna change. And recently, Southern California has finally been getting hit with a good amount of rain. And that means one thing and one thing only: the hills were calling. So of course, I hit up a few of the boys. We decided it was finally time to take our dirt bikes out, dust the cobwebs off, and go have some fun. Right now though, the Stark, it's kind of in pieces. You'll see why. But before that happened, this was probably one of the most hectic rides I've literally ever done on the Stark. So let's rewind a couple weeks. At this point, the Stark had been sitting for almost 3 months, which I know sounds bad, but it's the truth. None of my gear was ready, nothing was packed. I didn't want to ride alone, so I hit up 2 of my good friends, Tayden and Austin. Tayden had just picked up a brand new KTM 250. He was hyped. It had been a while since he's really ridden. We decided to hit the hills of Nuevo. It's known for its insane trails, big moto jumps, and insane conditions that only show up after a rain.
We making it? Oh, we freaking made it. Hola, señor.
No español.
No mames. I've been getting better at my Spanish.
Austin has a Stark too, same bike as mine, except his is way more dialed with a bunch of parts I want, but I really don't feel like paying for yet.
How do you do it?
Damn, look at you getting Motor X too.
It's a KTM, buddy,
saying,
from factory. It smells like, put your tongue in. It smells pretty good. Well, that's actually fucking good. That initial taste is like really good.
We ended up with a huge group, some friends, some people I've never ridden with before. Skill levels were all over the place, from really solid riders to straight beginners. The trails they took us on were brutal.
Oh no! Got the whole squad out here. Dirt, rhyme time. I haven't ridden the Stark in a fat minute, so yeah, it's been a long time since I rode a Stark. I've only put 3 hours on it. 3 hours on this thing. It's like, it's practically fresh. Oh, I love dirt bikes. I love dirt bikes. Oh my gosh. Come on! Oh! Bigger! What? You see, it's so much power, it's ridiculous.
Yeah. What are you riding on?
55, I think.
Oh yeah, I'm like 65.
Yeah. So you got 10 more than me. I feel like it's perfect where I'm at. All right, we got a lot of us. I don't even know how many there is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A solid 15 of us. Oh my gosh, I do.
I always think my rear tire
Dude,
flat.
no, it's not. It's not. Oh, thank God, I thought I had a flat. Why is this so slippery? I just got too much air in my tire, maybe. On a bigger bike, when you wheelie like that, you gotta look like under the bar on the side because you can't see in front of you. It's just a big old Android screen right in my face. Oh my gosh, I know exactly what we're going on.
They bring us to this down.
I know, why do we go through this thing? Hey, this is pretty steep.
We don't have to go back up this.
Nah, no, I don't even know why we're going down this one. Oh. Come on. At least the dirt's tacky. It makes the downhill a lot better when the dirt is. Oh frick! damn it, we gotta go through that rock garden right there. I know, hey, Tayden goes, I'm gonna take it easy. I haven't ridden in like 2 years, dude. We're giving you some real hard enduro today, dude. Keep going. I don't know why. These Stark brakes kind of suck. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. So I told Tayden we're gonna go on some like easy trails. Ah! Oh, hey, right here, this is where it gets a little gnarly. Bro, I'm gonna scratch the hell out of my bike. I already know it. There you go. Thing's a wide body. Hey, you might have to sit on it, dude, to put weight on it. It's a freaking Ryan taking us on some treacherous downhill trail. You freaking a-hole, dude. You did? Is he still stuck? Does he need help? Should I go help him? Bro, you want me to hop on this thing? Let me see. Let me try to get it out of here. Oh my, you have no front brake. No wonder why you freaking...
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. No! No! Oh! Dude, no front brake on this guy. My front brake works, it's just not that good, but he has literally zero front brake. Alright, let's see the Stark make it through. It's freaking treacherous. Ah, no wonder why. Did they go up?
Oh, right there.
Oh, it's the fresh Stark, dude. Ah, there goes Tayden. No. Bro, are you serious right now? Oh my gosh, bro. Are you guys for real right now? I don't think we should do this. I ain't getting that.
No, you're good.
Hell.
Just carry your speed.
Ryan, you're fouled for that one, dude. I was gonna back out, but then I got through it easy. Dude, I'm watching everyone and I'm like, I'm watching everyone, and then on this thing, it's easy.
So easy.
It's like, it is low-key cheating. Austin, are you serious? Hey, don't mess up the suspension, bro. Austin, you gotta come through with speed, bro. Put it in reverse. Go, hit it. Hit the gas, Austin. Go, 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 go. All right. Oh my gosh, bro. All right, this is messed up. This is messed up right here. No, no. Oh.
Oh, you got it.
Low-key, a front brake would help. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Back up a little bit.
Roll the tire. Gotta move that.
Oh! Oh! What the frick is that? Bro, listen to this. What is that? Dude, I think my forks are smoked.
Yeah, that sounds like shit.
3 hours on the bike, huh? Dude, oh, dude. My front forks seem to have blown. Probably from not riding the bike, so. Watch out! Oh, that looks insane.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, Tayden's gonna be like, hell no, watch. Tayden, you're good. Straight on the side, you're fine. No, this side. Dude, you're fine. Go, roll, roll, roll. Yeah.
Gotta try the start of this trail, Link. It's fun.
Oh no, here we go again.
It's over on the other, the next one.
Oh, piss. Am I gonna have to go up that rock? Oh my gosh, I can't believe I made that!
No way.
Oh my
I did
gosh!
not think you were doing
Dude, I just didn't even think about it.
that.
Oh, so
Yeah.
there we go. Okay. Oh no! Xander, no! Oh my, he saved it! He saved Bro, turn it off, turn it off, turn it off. Xander, there's no way that just happened. Bro, hey, he fell like 6 times before he truly went down. Oh, switchbacks. Oh my gosh, some more, dude. Are you freaking kidding me, bro? I'm so done. Oh, it's got moss on it. Actually, the sketchiest part right there. Get me out of here, man. There goes my hero. Oh, buddy. That was insane. At least 690 calories have been burned on that trail ride. I'm sweating under this hoodie, like real good. My forks stopped clicking though. They were doing that weird clicking because I thought they were like clapped, but they don't click anymore. Oh! Oh, frick! Oh, frick! Alright, Tannen wanted to ride the good old start part. It trips me out when I ride because I'm so used to the handbrakes, and then I got a foot brake on this, so. Ah! Oh! Oh frick! Oh frick! Almost bad. I just went through some rain rut. Oh, that front section with the whoops is sick.
You're Zay, right?
Yeah.
Bro, I've been watching your videos since like the pitter days.
No way. Hell yeah. Thank you, bro.
Can I get a picture?
Yeah, hell yeah. Let's get one. You guys gonna hit that road gap? Should we go over there?
Yeah. Let's go over there. And then there's another track over here with another
Bro, I just try to shift down. It's just screwing me up. I just try to shift down right now. No, it's not that big. That's what I'm saying. Like you could go short and long. Yeah. Damn, I thought he was gonna go deeper than that. You actually gotta go kind of quick. That is a pretty hard hit.
So, right? That was like kind of sketchy. Right?
It looks like a weird lip. They made it too sleep. No?
Just like come at it straight.
Oh, that joint's soft. All right. What do you reconcile?
I just get on it at the bottom.
Look at the rut, dude.
You gonna hit it there now?
I kind of want to. Yeah. I'm gonna be close though, because I don't want to get roosted all over. Dude, I tried to follow him and I just got blasted. Adrenaline pumping a little bit. Damn, I gotta go faster. Dude, I even gave it more at the bottom too. Still a little short. Yeah, that hurted. Yeah, dude, it's easy as frick. Really? Yeah. I'm like, it was one of those where I was like, but it like, I wasn't really that nervous. Adrenaline's pumping a little bit. Because we have so much power, Austin, like right here, you could probably see me cruise and then here I hit it.
That's what I saw.
Yeah, I say we call it. It's been a successful day. My front suspension needs to be redone. I'm not trying to like, I'm doing this on clapped freaking fork seal suspension. I probably have no oil in them. Thanks, brother, I appreciate it. I'm out.
Let's get a tank.
Dude, I ain't gonna get muddy. If I could lead it, I'll lead it. All right, I'm gonna lead though, cause dude, look at me. Good? Still a little short. Later, boys. Nice to meet you.
All right, that's gonna be a wrap for this one. Thank you guys for watching. I've got to pull the forks off, clean everything, get them rebuilt. New fork seals, nothing too crazy. Honestly, to avoid this in the future, I'd probably just need to force myself to ride the Stark more often. If you guys have any ideas on how I should customize this Stark, any color ideas, comment them down below. I'll see you guys next Saturday.